Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. To do it, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it once, recording starts immediately, but firstly let's check out its settings. So to access them, hold down finger on it. So here you can change viewfinder size, you can change resolution of your recording, you can set up time limit, and you can select size limit. And you can also record screen touch points. So let's try to start recording. Start. And after the countdown here, recording starts. So we can also enable viewfinder here, so it's like a small front camera here. Here we can switch microphone and other system sounds, so we can enable microphone, system sound, or both. We can also we can somehow draw on the screen, make some notes or something. We can pause recording by tapping on this button here, then we can play it again. And after we're done, tap on the red button and recording will be saved to the gallery. Photos. To the album. Screen record, and here it is. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording, and also perform other actions from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.